15-year-old Evan Tucker can't seem to spend enough time on the baseball field.
He's tried other sports, football, basketball, but he's always landed on baseball. It's always been interesting to him, and he has a lot of fun doing it.
And his mother, Samantha Tucker, loves watching him do it. Evan just completed his freshman year with the Pinson Valley High School baseball team, and with the school season wrapped up, he wanted to try out for a travel ball team. Easter weekend was the time to make it happen, and tryouts were here on this field. In the middle of doing drills, standing near the outfield behind second base, the unimaginable.
I guess I just thought that he had gotten hit by a ball, and I jumped up, but then I heard somebody say, like, he's having a seizure, so I took off running.
Only it wasn't a seizure. The young baseball player down in the grass experiencing cardiac arrest. His heart stopped.
It was sheer panic, like shock, actually. I didn't know what to do. I just kept talking to him.
When suddenly, a stranger dashed to the outfield, saw Evan turning blue, and started performing CPR.
You hear someone scream, "Is there a nurse out here?"
Yeah.
What are you?
I'm a project manager.
You're not a nurse.
I'm not a nurse.
But you did know CPR.
I did.
Where did you learn that?
I learned CPR in high school when I was 17, and I've never had to use it in 40 years.
Jeanette Wilmot was at the ballpark to watch her 11-year-old Phoenix try out for the Travel League team. She was sitting in this very spot when she saw Evan fall to the ground. When she finally reached him, she says she performed CPR for around 8 minutes until an ambulance arrived. Her knees rubbed raw as she hummed a familiar song.
I just kept humming, Staying Alive.
From The Office?
That's how I learned. Well, yes.
And it worked.
Have you thought about how it could have gone if she wasn't there that day?
Every single day. I mean, he would not be here if she had not stepped in.
Evan was whisked away on the ambulance, his mother right beside him, holding on to hope, praying inside.
The entire ride in the ambulance, all I kept saying was, "Jesus, I trust in you," just over and over and over. I had a peace about me because somehow I knew that he was going to be okay.
When he got to Children's Hospital, his mother says he had to be shocked because of his heart's condition. He was in a coma for several days, but is now making improvements. These strangers and mothers, now friends, with a newfound bond. Jeanette telling me they talk all the time, and she's waiting for the right time to meet Evan again.
I know it's been a lot. Have you seen him since?
No, I've talked to his mother every day. We talk every day. And I told her that I wanted to wait until he was completely stable.
To protect her emotions and his. But this weekend,
Hi, sweetheart.
the pair reunited for the first time. Evan's angel in the outfield was a mom who knew CPR.
Miracles happen. And my son, if it hadn't been for Jeanette, if it hadn't been for the Lord, my son would not be here today. Because Jeanette stepped in like she did, and did CPR when a lot of people didn't know, myself included. It's a good chance for people to think about that, and think about things like this happen.